San people are among the oldest indigenous groups. They master tracking and wildlife behavior. Click languages and medicinal knowledge define them. Maasai are known for vibrant red attire. Their semi-nomadic life is tied to land. Lions, elephants coexist with the Maasai. Hadza are true hunter-gatherers in Tanzania. They depend on hunting and gathering. Deep ecological understanding fuels Hadza life. Batwa were once forest-dwelling hunter-gatherers. Rainforests were crucial to Batwa life. Displacement endangers Batwa's traditional practices. Each group embodies a unique connection to nature. Lives intertwined with Africa's wildlife and lands. Their cultural endurance inspires ecological respect.